5, 6, 7, going up, and one arm down, second arm down, and you point the toes, swing it around, and lay on your toes, going down to cross over, and turn. Going plie once, plie twice, arm is out, and you point leg. Kicking, 1 and 2, catch the chocolate M&M falling from the sky. Okay, turn it around, going to get your sunflower. Going 1, legs up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretend grabbing it from someone and holding it, walking on your toes. 1, going back to your spot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We lift 1, we lift 1, we lift 2, lifting 3, and you kick the leg. Going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kicking. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your bottoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulling it up, going out, and back in. Pull it back out, and back